Guest in the green room. Who's that? Hello, guys. Me, Muhammad Ali, here live inside the group. Here with me is Matthew, who is the
Joyce is coming, I think. Can you
Joyce.
see? Can you see her?
I don't see her face.
Can you
Only
hear
green
me?
screen. That's what I see.
Hi.
Hi, Joyce.
Hello.
You can't see her face.
We
Yes.
cannot see your
I know it's a
camera or
so I close it.
So, guys, if you guys are joining us, please let us know the voice. If there is any echo, anything. Are you hearing any
Yes.
echo, Joyce?
Yeah. I did
Yeah, I
hear
hear
some
echo. Where is
from
that
you.
coming from? Oh, yes. I can see that even in the live, there is echo. Uh, this is coming. Okay, if I remove you, I know this is gonna be the source. It could be you, Matthew. I gotta kick you out and see if this is with Joyce. So Joyce.
Yes?
So between the two of us, I guess there's no issue with echo, right?
Yeah, now it's fine.
Now it's fine. So we know that Matthew is the problem. Matthew, if you're watching this, please go fix your speakers. Because that's the way to rule out 3 people. We know where the source is. Done. Okay, guys, we're coming live here inside the group. We will be talking about Uchat and talking about a few things here and there. Demo, show you guys the power of the tool. There's a lot of things. It's such a big and powerful tool. And then we will see here. So this is back. Let's see. Okay, now we know you are the culprit. Hopefully you're not gonna make a problem again.
how about now? I got a
Much
earpiece,
better.
so
Much better.
much better. Okay, maybe it's
Yes.
because my speaker. Sorry.
Okay, Joyce,
Okay,
we can't
good,
see you.
good.
Are you doing this on purpose or?
Yeah, on
Oh, okay. She wants to remain green. Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
And so, Joyce, I had a few questions for you tonight. It's gonna unfortunately have to be live. I didn't have the chance to meet you before the live. And what we wanted to take a quick look at the voice feature. And since you're the expert on that one, I have a setup right now on my education business, and I wanted you to hear what I'm gonna do, and then how I can set up the same thing on Uchat. Okay?
yes.
So technically, it's a phone call when people call. Are you ready for this? You're not ready. It's gonna be tricky, but I hope you're ready. So if this is not possible, that's fine. But we need that feature if it's not possible. I know. Ask Matthew, but I think this could be done quickly. And
Yep.
I want to show you this. I'm gonna just I'm gonna bring my number here and then bring the voice. I mean, just put the phone close to the mic. So I'm gonna put 647-693-9335. Okay. What I'm gonna do is listen to this. Are you there, Joyce?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. So I'm calling my school.
Thank you for calling our Learning Center. For the JEI program, press 1. For the high school day program, night school, summer school, and online credit courses, press 2. For all other programs, press 3.
So now what's happening is, if I
Thank you
don't,
for calling our Learning
it will
Center.
just keep repeating
For
that
the
until I
JEI
select
program, press
an
1.
option, right?
For the high school day
Now,
program, night school,
any
summer
number
school,
that I
and online credit.
any number that I call, I mean if I press 2 or 3, it will forward to the right department, with the phone number, right?
Yes.
The other
For
thing
calling our Learning Center.
I'm gonna show you,
For the JEI program, press 1. For
I
the
if I press 3, it will call me. Actually, it's calling me, right? I'm calling myself. And if I don't answer, look at what's gonna happen. If I don't answer, it will actually call the school. It's summertime, that's why it's forwarded to me now. But it will call the school.
Please wait while I try to connect you. You can press 1 at any time to leave a voice message.
And then what it's gonna do is that it's gonna go to the next person right now. It's calling the next person. It will call the school, it will call the other person. This is called call routing. You know, you route the calls to different people. And then, let's say anytime, if I press 3, it will make me leave message, right? Or, I mean, sorry, 1.
Please wait while I try to connect you.
Let me press 1.
Mohammed Ali is not available at the moment. Sending you to voicemail.
Right?
Begin speaking at the tone.
So, is that possible to replicate something like that on Uchat?
Yes, I.
Okay. Can you speak a bit louder? I can't hear you.
Yes, you can do that. But
Alright.
you know.
Could you come closer to the mic?
Sure.
Close to the mic?
So my voice is really small, really low.
Yeah. Did
volume,
you
or-
just wake up?
No. No.
Okay. I was gonna ask you to drink, to take a cup of coffee or something. But then, yeah. So explain to me. Let's share your screen. Let's see a setup scenario, and I will give you the numbers right now. We can try if we can mimic this, because the idea of this is to, if I have a call center, it's coming in. All the calls are coming in through. I know which agent is picking up the call, which department is receiving it, what time, the recordings, all the analytics, all that information. This is very, very powerful, and this is the function, the reason actually why I was really interested when I first met Matthew, talking about Uchat. I was like, another chatbot. I'm not interested. There's so many of these ones. Then he's like, we have voice here. I'm like, okay, can you show me? So the voice is one of the reasons why actually, again, the beautiful part of the voice is that if you're buying even any of the plans, including from the Pro Plus, the voice is included, and there's no limits to how many customers you can set up if you have unlimited chatbots, right? Especially with the agency. So we'll talk about the details. But could you share your screen and give us an idea?
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Oh, are you setting up? Do you need some time to set up?
I think that's okay.
Okay, if you want to share your screen, I can share. Yes. Okay, I see your screen. If everybody can see the screen clearly, let's know.
Why I cannot see the screen? What?
You can't? You
what is
can't?
hap- I can't.
Oh, let me see what I can do to help you, man. You are my guest, right?
Yeah.
A stream, guest, screen sharing, interview. You can share the broadcast. Okay. What about now?
Oh, now I see. Now I can see. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's do this demo. The flow.
So I'm going into a voice full.
And we cannot hear you at all, to be honest.
Really? But
Yes.
I'm really close to my microphone. It's like.
Okay,
so
now
next
you
my
need to speak a
mouth.
little bit louder.
Okay, I will try. So first, when you're coming in.
Okay. Yeah.
And let me get maybe another subflow to show.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're first coming in, you can get a DTMF question.
Okay. Slowly, step by step. Go back, please. I want to follow this one. I want to set it up. You're moving fast. Okay, do that. So, question. It goes to question. Okay, good.
And
Okay.
then choose DTMF question.
DTMF question. Excellent.
Yeah,
Good.
That's a keypad input, and here you can put your voice, record it, like press 1 for something.
Yes,
press
I
2
love
for
that.
something,
Okay.
Or you can just put the word here. Press 1 for. If you wanted to put a video here, you can just put the direct link, HTTPS and.
Audio. You mean audio, not video.
Audio. Yeah, audio.
Yeah,
That's
audio,
a
sorry.
audio URL. We also support audio URL there.
Okay. So external audio. I have audio actually. Yes.
Something, yeah. And then, because you are expecting user to
Input digits.
1, 2, or 3, so that's
Yes.
1 digit in total.
Yes. Right.
And you can set the quick answer. If they press 1,
Mm-hmm.
you can. Are you going to transfer them to somewhere else, or?
If they choose one, I'll put them transfer to a number. Yes.
Okay, then another question step.
Mm-hmm.
So in this new question step, click transfer. Type.
Right.
Okay. And now here, before the transfer, you can play something like let me transfer to you to somewhere, give some prompt, and then put the transferred number here.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And then transfer status.
Mm-hmm.
You can save the status, because when someone is not picking up, then the status is false. Then you can direct it. Or here, transfer fail. You can just send them to another transfer. Are you going to transfer them?
Yeah,
to
if
the
that
same
person
number?
doesn't answer, I want them to, the call to go to another person. This is called call routing. So I want this call not to stop. I want them to, like you are hearing, there's background music that was in there, and then if they don't pick up, then it go to the next agent until someone answers. It will check for all of them.
Then, then another question step to transfer to another person.
Mm-hmm.
Again, transfer, and here you can put the background music right here.
Right. So you will have the background. So that for the audios you'll have the. Okay. I get it. Mm-hmm.
And for when they press 2.
Mm-hmm.
So are you going to transfer them to a number? Or?
Another number again. Yes.
Okay. Then again, our question step.
Mm-hmm.
And transfer. Yeah, just same like when they press 1.
Mm-hmm. And you do the same thing. You just duplicate the same ones.
So it's just basically the same thing.
Okay. You know what I can do? I can send you my password. Why don't we set up my account and I can send you the audios and everything right now? The same audio I have.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. You have my account password, right?
I don't think so.
I guess I didn't keep that one.
You didn't keep it? Okay. I'll password message. I'll send it to you through the computer. People can't see my screen, so I'm not sharing my screen, right? Okay, good.
We can see.
You can see my screen? Can you see my screen? No way. No one sees my screen.
No.
Okay. You can see your green screen. Okay, let's put you here. And I can come up here if you want. Then you can join me. And Joyce, you are there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually do this live because somebody asked me this question. I think they repeatedly asked, how does this compare to phone wagon? If you guys know what phone wagon does, is that you can the same idea. It's a call routing options. People can track the calls, where they're going, where they're coming from. Recordings can be listened. You can change a lot of things. So it's just a similar thing. Any call tracking system, this is the same. So for me, this is the reason why I love the deal, because it gives you the ability to set up something like this for unlimited clients. I mean, using your own numbers, right? So let's do this one. I'm gonna go into Uchat and get my password for you. I didn't change, same password. Okay, I need to change it now and give you a new one. Okay, just for the sake of quick things, let me send you the.
You can send me if you do not have her contact.
I don't have.
You can send me. I will forward to her.
Okay, so there we go. And there is a number connected, so we'll use the same number. So that is one.
The number is not a trial number, right? You already paid.
No. I have a real number. I have real number connected. You can go ahead, and then people can test it. One thing I want to do is I'll get you also the sound that's on the greeting that you can hear. I'll send you that, and I want to replicate. By the way, for this system I pay about $40 a month already, so that's a good saving if all goes good, right?
Yeah.
This is the number login. And then I'm extracting the voice. Man, the last time I logged in was 2012. 4 months. And then they keep billing me every month $40, right? So go to the call routing. And I was hearing someone is asking questions. Okay. The voice messages, greetings. Okay, go to the greetings. There we go.
Where do we get the phone numbers? So actually, currently for the voice flow, Uchat integrate with Twilio, and another is Signalware. So you need to get your account over there and get the phone numbers. And after you get your account set up over there, they will provide you some kind of the API keys, and then you put your API keys in Uchat. The number you purchased will be synced back to Uchat, and then you can build the the IVR, the chatbot in Uchat.
Right. The call routing basic phone call here. I have my.
I think for the audio, I think maybe Joyce, we can use the voice maker and choose.
Yes, if you are connected to voice maker, that's good. I can make you listen to the
yeah.
sound. The only thing I want to do.
You mean?
Yeah,
I think Ali, you can just send the text over, and then we can use the voice maker to convert that text into audio we can use. So it's a better human-like voice.
Oh, okay. That's fine. I want to hear that.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you
So-
send me an API key so that I can install the voice maker in Ali's account?
Yes. I don't have it. I think he has it. Matthew?
Oh yeah. Let's
Send the
find
API.
keys.
So I can use it for free forever. I had my voice greeting somewhere recorded, but it's okay. We can transcribe and send it. I have a transcription system that can handle it. Cindy and Lisa. I get a lot of missed calls every day. Oh, and then the number of times the phone rings. Can you control that too, so we can?
The number of time it rings. What does
So
that mean?
when the phone rings, nobody answers. It can ring for like 5 times, 3 times. Can you control that?
You mean transfer to multiple person?
Yeah. Before you do the transfer, you will let the phone ring, and then let it ring again, and then let it ring, and then you transfer. You know how your phone rings, but then if somebody doesn't pick up, it hangs up, right? How many rings does it make? Or it doesn't matter. Because how long will the rings happen, right? Do you understand?
I mean, if you build many question step and the person is, not answering the question, so you will transfer to another one, next
Yes.
one.
Yes, that's fine. But also, how many times does your phone ring? Once, 2 times, right? They hear how many rings, right? You control that part as well. I don't know if you know what I'm
Not
saying.
that sure.
There's some
Looking
questions
for it.
coming through. I want to see them. Is there a lifetime deal for voice maker? I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. Is there?
I don't think so, but they have very generous package, because there are a couple of other options like the Lovo, like the Well Said Labs, right? All those platforms, they offer you to convert the text into human-like voice, but the problem with them is that pricing is not suitable for the chatbot. They charge by the per download. That means every
Yeah.
text you convert, whether it's a long text or short text, they charge you by the number of the converts. But the voice maker, what they does is they charge by, for example, a 5 million text conversions or something like that. So it's a very good package. And you can buy, it's kind of you buy in bulk and then you use that in your chatbot.
So you're using credits.
So
then monthly.
They are not charging by per download or per conversion. So that's why we integrate with them. You can go to their website. They have official website. You have a lot of voice. I think they are introducing the artificial intelligence voice version 5, version 4 or 5, but they have very good voice. So I don't think
asking
the Lovo Unlimited I also have, but that is only for the studio version. That means you need to convert the text in that interface. They do not offer the API access for that, for the lifetime deal. So you cannot integrate with Uchat. Yeah.
If somebody wants to pay for the API, you can integrate.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's definitely possible. We can build the mini apps if there's any a lot of requests. It's very easy to build the mini apps so that you can put your API keys in the apps, and then you can use that to convert the text into the audios. You can use that across all the channels we support, not necessarily the voice channel.
Okay.
Right.
Shall I share my screen now?
Okay, share.
Yeah.
Yep. Let's go there.
Okay.
Alrighty, that's you.
Alright. So
Yeah.
first thing, let's go to integration,
Mm-hmm.
and then in the apps,
Mm-hmm.
you can click install apps.
Right.
Then the voice maker is here. Click select,
Mm-hmm.
and then come down, then install. Click it and put the API key here and save. Alright, and then which one you are using? This one, the voice.
Anyone is okay. You can delete and put new one. I don't care.
Okay, I can open this.
Yeah, open. Yeah.
Schoolink. It's called Schoolink.
It's School Link. Yeah.
Okay, so now
Why he put so many text at the starting step?
I think it's a note.
Oh, okay, this is note. Okay.
Where did you hear this from? Where did you get that from?
What do you mean?
No, where did you get those from? Welcome to our learning center. For the high school, press 1. For the after school program, press 2. For all other programs, press 3. Did I put that?
Yeah, it's.
I think so.
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I think I was trying to recreate.
I think you put that.
Yeah, I was trying to
Okay, so
recreate it.
maybe let me copy it and we can use the action step.
Yeah.
Okay, in the action step, go integration, and then you see the voice maker here.
Mm-hmm.
Click it and edit.
Convert
and
text.
Convert text to audio.
Mm-hmm. Select language English. Yeah.
Which one would you like to
US.
US.
Mm-hmm.
Voice ID.
There is a link after that. Below that. There is a link. Yeah, copy that.
It should be clickable link. Make life easy.
Oh yeah.
What's this?
This is their voices.
This
Okay. So how do I?
this
know
is
what
all the
code
samples
I
you can listen to.
Go to the premium.
Yeah, choose natural.
Premium.
Maybe you can try. Okay, let me copy this. and you can just listen to it and choose one favorite
Mhm.
voice. Login.
Login.
You need to log in, create a free account sometimes. Yeah.
Oh, they have it outside and you have to create. Oh, that's a good way to attract.
Matthew, do you know if I wanted to choose this voice, how do I know the code to
Oh,
put here?
you see that URL that is redirect to you the API docs. No,
Voice
below
ID.
the voice ID. Yeah, copy
Oh,
that URL.
this API.
That is going to the API documents, and in the API documents, they offer you the options. Scroll down, scroll down,
Who are the other people? Yes.
scroll down,
Oh,
But
here.
Matthew,
scroll down.
AI one.
Yeah, yeah. You can just here. Yeah,
AI
you can
one.
just choose any the shortcode over here and put it
Yeah.
as the voice ID. We can use that as a demo. Pick anyone. The AI.
Yeah.
yeah,
So
I
first things, paste your text here, and you're looking for some voice that you, your
Yeah.
favorite voice. And then you check the code here, like
Yes.
this one AI1 Matthew, and you
Yeah.
copy it back to Uchat, put here,
Yeah.
and the text. Let me,
You need to put the text.
Oh, we already had it there.
Okay, so the text is this one. Speed 0.
They have a speed, volume, pitch, and
Pitch.
yeah, you can just leave it
Adjust.
as by default. Leave it by default.
Okay.
Save the
So
URL.
now I'm going to save the audio URL. Okay, save in this URL and click save. So now then I can again put a question, and it is a DTMF question.
Mm-hmm.
Then now let me get the URL.
Audio URL.
Okay, audio URL. Alright, and then when they press 1, go to another question to transfer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just giving some prompt here so that you
Yep.
know the demo goal success. Okay, so now I'm showing you pressed 1. Okay, and when they press 2, save it, and I'm going to duplicate this one. Okay, you press 2. If they press 3, same. Duplicate. You press 3. Okay, now you can call yourself, and let's try.
Okay. What is the number there?
Yes, yeah.
647? Yes. So 647 647 250 250 0100 or 0100. Okay. Can anybody hear?
Yeah, we can hear.
Learning Center. For the high school courses, press 1. For the after-school program, press 2. For all other programs, press 3.
Yeah, that. So I'm gonna
Welcome to our Learning Center. For the high school courses, press 1. For the after-school program, press 2. For all other programs, press 3.
so
You pressed 1.
yeah, so it hangs out there.
Yeah.
So then we can do the next step, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you can put your transfer here to replace the press 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
You're saying you're using. Okay, so then you want to transfer it to when they say press 1, let's transfer to a phone number.
Okay.
Actually, you press 1 is not even important. Yeah, maybe, right?
Yes, you can
You
just
press 1, you press
connect
2 is
this
not
step.
important. Yeah, connect directly. So forward this to
Okay.
put 416 plus 1 416
Plus 1, 4, 1,
416
6,
826
8, 2, 6,
93
9, 3.
29.
Sorry, 2, 9,
Yeah,
2, 9.
yeah.
Okay. So, would you like to play some background music or
Yes, background music until
Can you-
somebody answers. Yes.
can you give me some link, like the background
Oh, for the music,
audio file link? Yeah.
I don't have any on me. Just use anyone.
Maybe just let me
Joyce,
Or you can just say
I
it.
think
Sorry.
you used to have that music background music we choose for our demo. I think that
which
2 minutes demo. You can upload that one, right?
2 minutes demo. Which one do you mean?
I mean, you shared one music. We choose. I think for the 2 minutes demo we are building, so you can just use that as a background music. Upload.
But I will need to upload the audio file to a third-party server to store my audio file.
Ah,
I
okay,
can't
and get the link.
here.
You can't save it
So
inside
it's
there. Okay, that's fine. Understandable. Let's just do this one. That's understandable.
Alright, and if it's failed, let's send something.
A voice message. Can they leave a voicemail? Leave a voicemail.
Okay, if they want to leave a voicemail, then another question
Yes.
step and record here.
Record. Okay, good.
Hit record. Okay, so
Mhm.
please leave your voicemail. Okay,
Right.
and then you can save another record URL. Alright, and then there are some other settings like press sharp to stop
Yeah.
and maximum 2 minutes or
Duration, yes.
play the beep or not and
Mhm.
trim the silence or not.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. And after that, you can also play the audio if
Yes.
you want to, or you can check the audio in your system. URL, record URL.
They can go back to the audio again. Yes, that's a good one.
Okay.
Mhm.
Right, now let's test it.
Okay, let's do the testing. So let's go.
For the high school courses, press 1. For the after-school program, press 2. For all other programs, press 3.
So let's say press 1.
Let me transfer you to.
It's calling me. It didn't say who it's calling, but it's calling my number. I can see it. Okay. So let's say I don't answer. What happens?
Vous avez joint la boîte vocale de 4 1 6 8 2 6 9 3 2 9.
Oh, I
That's
think you.
it. No, that's my that's my voicemail.
Oh, okay.
My voicemail is in French, and so okay. Let me try again. I'll call another number. So what that was number first one, right? And I'll press 2.
Welcome to our Learning Center. For the high school courses, press 1. For the after-school program, press 2. For all
No,
other
2
programs,
just have.
press 3.
You press 2, the message.
Oh, it doesn't have anything else.
Welcome to our Learning
Yeah.
Center.
So one has everything.
Courses, press 1. For the after-school
One has the
Let me
transfer
transfer
to
you to.
yourself.
It says, let me transfer you to. Okay, I'm getting the transfer. Okay. And then if I don't
Maybe you
answer,
can hang up.
now round robin is what we need. If I don't answer, it has to go to another number, right? So we can build that. If I don't answer, if there's no answer,
Then either
conditionally, right? There have to be a condition. If there's no answer,
Vous avez joint la boîte
if the
vocale
transfer fail,
6
if transfer fail, yes.
9
then transfer to another.
Yeah.
Okay, another number here.
Yeah, 416, repeat it. It's okay. 416, 82, yeah. David?
Say anything like
Oh.
transfer you to another.
Yeah. Another agent, something like that. I'm transferring you to the agent, right? Transferring you something like that. Let me transfer you to the agent, something like that, to another agent. Yeah, and then we can do the background music, and that makes it completely replaces what I was doing, which is basically similar to what you did, right?
Yes.
And
Then you can
also,
pick-
Joyce, I think we support the music and the text mixed together, right? I think we support that.
Yes, probably like something like this. Or maybe let me try play the audio again. URL, the audio. Yeah, like convert the text to audio and then play this audio file so you can see like the combination that you can do. Alright.
Okay, call again. And press 1. Yes.
Yes. And don't pick up in the first.
Welcome to our Learning Center.
Oh,
For the
but
high school courses, press 1. For the after-school program, press 2. For all other programs, press 3.
Let me transfer you to.
or maybe you can leave your voicemail and then let the process.
Vous avez joint la
end.
boîte
So
vocale
maybe
de
get
4
back to
1
the
6 8 2
voice box.
6 9
Oh,
3
voicemail,
2
okay.
9.
Yeah, you can leave a voice.
I
Pour lui laisser un message, veuillez attendre le signal. Si vous préférez laisser uniquement votre numéro, faites le 1.
hi. If you can hear my voice, this is a test for Uchat live, and that's it. So I will end the recording for the voice.
Si l'enregistrement de votre message vous convient, faites le 1. Pour réécouter votre message, le 2. Si vous préférez tout effacer et recommencer, le 3. Pour continuer l'enregistrement de votre message, le 4.
So it didn't let me move to the next one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or maybe to hang up the call.
Yeah, hang up. Okay, I'll hang up. Okay, no problem.
No, I mean like when you transfer to someone and you want you to hang up the call, but you don't
me
want to
transfer
leave
you
the
to-
bots.
Okay, I'm gonna decline.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna decline.
Publish.
Decline.
Joyce, publish. When you make the change, publish.
Vous avez joint la boîte vocale de 4 1 6.
No, it's not leaving. It's not. It's not. It's just taking me to voicemail.
Yeah, you may need to record it because I just enabled the press
The recording.
the star key to stop.
Okay.
Welcome to our Learning Center. For the high school courses, press 1. For the after...
Let me transfer you to.
So decline.
Yes, you press the star key.
Vous avez joint la boîte vocale de 4 1 6.
No, it hangs up. So I guess it needed some tweaking.
Yeah, I want to add up to this because when you tell me this feature,
Yeah.
I talk to the developer.
Yeah.
Actually, we need to make the update what is called conference mode. So it's not like what we are currently have. It's like you are calling this, right? And then Twilio will set up the conference. And then only after set up the conference, the Twilio will go to call this agent. And if it's not available, and they go back to the conference and then call another one. So that will be an update we already currently working on. So I think we may surprise you guys with the update this conference mode, so that you can do what Ali demo today.
Okay.
So yeah, just the whole update, and we will bring the conference mode to the voice channel.
So it's good enough now to do all the initial stuff. When people press it, works, you can go to a specific number. But there's no way to come back to that number. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Joyce, you do some research on it as well, since this is your stuff, right?
Okay.
But this is good.
Yeah.
It's a good learning opportunity. I have Lovo Unlimited. Okay, that's one. So parking lot, round table, and round robin. Yes. So that's what they need. The parking lot, round table, round robin. I think these are all conference mode stuff.
What is the parking lot?
Parking lot, round table, and round robin. These are all the same thing. I think it's like they're all around round robin. If I don't answer this, it comes to you. If you don't answer, it goes to the next until it finds.
Okay.
And then it gives an option.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we call that conference mode. So I just want the community to know that we hear your feedback and we are working on that. Okay, we will bring the conference mode, I think, in the near future. Yeah.
Yes, and it's very powerful. Like I see, like generally, that's one of the reasons why this tool is not just a chatbot. It's not just. I don't know why you guys call this one a voice. It's not a chatbot, right? It's a bot.
No, you can make it a chatbot, because I have a demo that going to show you. You speak something, right? Our voice chatbot can convert your speech into text, and after that you send this text to Dialogflow. And the Dialogflow will recognize your intent, and if you set up the response in Dialogflow, that response will read back to you. It's kind of it's just want to show you the possibilities. How you can make your voice chatbot smarter, but it's just a demo, just to show you the features we have. If you want to build something, you can just you have the tools you need. That's the point. Yeah.
Excellent. This is good. So guys, the voice is just amazing. I think we need to do more demo, because I'm learning a lot every time. Joyce plays with it. I see so many new features, like turn this on, turn that. It's a lot of work. This must have taken a lot of time for Peter to develop, right?
Yeah. That's because the whole structure of the voice is different with all the other channels, Messenger, WhatsApp. They all have the same features, but for the voice, it's totally different. So that's why what it sets us apart from the other platforms.
Right.
And we will improve. Yeah, definitely listen to the features, listen to the feedback, and improve the voice chatbot. Yeah.
And then having if you have the agency, the reason why you guys, if you have any of the agency plans, having that unlimited ability to create phone numbers and then put them, create call centers out of it, with the ability to record. Of course, you're using Twilio, and Twilio is very, very cheap. So I'm paying $40 a month for this feature, because you know what? It's on the cloud, so I don't have to, I don't know how many of you guys remember. Like if you use the phone systems, they used to have these packages where they'll install something on your office, so that when people call, it will do the exact same thing. Only that there was a physical box like in your office, and it was thousands of dollars back in the day. But I don't know if people still use that anymore. But yeah, some companies still use that. But for us now, we use since 2012, I switched to an online platform called eVoice. Let me share the screen. I'll show you guys this. This is the screen. I was using eVoice since 2012 May. Let me see here. Where's my I don't know where my browser went. Okay, let me open new window and look for eVoice. They're actually based in Canada, I think. I saw the office driving one day, and then here's their plan features. See here, they start at $14, but you need to understand this is only few minutes, but I'll show you the different plans. Let me see here. Let me see different plans that they have. Prices and planning. Or $12, but this unlimited calls, auto attendant, see all the features. Wait a minute here. Okay, record. So choose your number, record a message, receive and make calls. This is different. I want to see how. Customize your plan. How is that possible? Get started, full features, 24/7 support, unlimited calls per user per month, and auto attendant. See all the features. So you have phone numbers, conference calling, custom greetings, voice to text, auto attendant, call forwarding. When I go to buy now, let me check what I see. Oh, man, they're hiding the other prices that I see. They have since changed the pricing. You know what? Let me log in, and maybe this is gonna help me understand. But I pay about $40 a month. I don't know why I'm on a different plan. These are my numbers. I have the conference numbers. What are the pricing? Okay, let's go to the pricing area. I'm gonna show you guys this.
Go to your billings.
Yes. So, $39. You see that? That's what I pay every month. And what's included? You know, I have voice to text, and every month payment info history. They're showing only this month, but I've been paying this for a long time. They only have, I think, few months here. 2021. Yeah, they have only this year's, right? Yeah. 2014. This is when, for this number, I was using the services 2014, but 2012 with the other numbers. With this particular number that I log in, it's since 2014. So I started it. All my invoices are here, guys. If you add up, if I had this on an LTD, I would have saved a lot of money.
Yeah, definitely.
Exactly. And you can see my billing, the plan gives me, did Joyce disappear? Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So monthly subscription, I only have included users 5. Oh yeah. So this is the number of users included, and then included minutes per month. I can talk only 1,000 minutes if I go over that. So they'll charge you, and then extra additional minute I pay 3.9 cents, which is, if you're using Twilio, it should be cheaper than this, a lot cheaper than this, I think, right? So yeah, I'm gonna look at all the ideas, you know, that you guys will bring forward. But if I can cancel this and replace all my numbers with this, that will be amazing. At least that saves me.
People have some questions over there. I think.
Let's go to the questions. Okay, see here, where are you? You can answer them. Alrighty, questions. Matthew, I don't, if this was asked before, does subscription, oh no. So those are the total subscriptions that you can use with the plan. If you have the agency,
we will offer, you know, if you want to purchase extra, you know, if you hit the market, that will be a package for that, so that, you know, you can upgrade. So that will be option there.
But when you ask 250, this is per workspace.
Yeah.
And you have total 5 million subscribers. So that's, you can remove,
you
know, so that's just one workspace. I mean, 250,000 subscribers. But the good news is you can clean up. You can remove all this the old,
Yeah.
subscribers and replace them.
Yeah.
So this is why.
Yeah.
So that's a good question. Do you know when you add conference mode, we will be able to assign extensions within the system? I think that you have to do that, right? The whole
Yes.
point of,
Yes. Yes.
the whole point of conference mode is to give it extensions. In the Plus package, the one agency included is unlimited bots or also limited to 50. No, it's unlimited bots. That's the value of that agency. It has its own value, okay? And the agency plus is just 20 sub account put together as a plan, 20 pro plus put together as a plan with less subscribers, because we're dividing the 5 million by 20. So it's a different package. But if you go to the agency plus, agency itself, the value is that you can build unlimited bots, right? And so,
Yeah.
and up to 5 million subscribers with one account. So definitely the possibilities are limitless, right? Good. Unlimited
Yeah.
bots with 5 million subscribers lifetime. Exactly. Yes. You can,
Yes.
with the ability to remove 5 million. So if you're after the voice only, definitely that's the best, the best deal. Of course, all of them are good with all the other features. Look, you're doing an Instagram bot. You can do Facebook. You can do WhatsApp. You can do SMS. You can do Google My Business. Like literally nowhere will any of your customers escape to. Everywhere you're waiting for them, bringing them together. So for Agency Plus
Yeah.
users, is there a way, for example, leader and an admin who gets one account, can he have 50 of his own line, have 50 bits in his own? Yeah, yeah. So if you're the main admin, that's one account already. It gets the 50 bots and whatever that comes with that account, right? But you also get the custom domain for the main account and the white labeling, so your clients can log into your agency. That's the point. So John, that's the answer. Okay. Any other? We can hear your voice now again. You're back. You hear that you can reduce the volume on your speakers. This is different from most other bot builders because they base on per engagement or monthly active user per month, and they reset the counter like bot style. Is there any way to hand off a user from one bot to another? Say, for example, yes. So that's another thing. Can the bots talk to each other? That's for you,
The
Matthew.
bots
Yeah. So
talk to each other.
let's say I start
So, yeah.
conversation. Yes.
So, for example, currently we already break, the barriers between SMS and the voice. For example, if you are in Messenger, right, there is an action called make a phone call. So what you do is there is a variable, is what we call is a payload. So you just put your variables over there, and then it will trigger the proper, the IVRs, the phone calls to the voice. So we already connect, even for the SMS, same thing. So we already connect this, SMS and phone calls across all the channels. In the future, we will make sure that, each individual channels, you can move to that channel and also move back. So that is also on our future roadmaps. I'm really glad you asked these questions. And we are not only not only aim to provide these multiple channels, we also want to connect them. So that is make a lot of sense for the business. So that is our future roadmap. We already have plans for that.
Yes, the question we're repeating is provide the number and minutes as well.
Oh.
You come with your own number. You could, but it connects to a Twilio, so you go and do it from Twilio or Signal Wire. You get your own number. You pay for your own bills. The reason that's this is that because you want to control everything. You don't want them to be owning that number, of course, right? If one day things change, that's your number. That's your Twilio account. The recordings and everything remain on your Twilio account. Think this as a management panel for the calls. And of course, you control your cost. So if we were to let this to be, for them to be paying for the calls, what's going to happen is what happened to Phone Wagon. They'll be out of business. And then suddenly everybody's going to be crying around saying, we got messed up. So yes, no minutes and numbers, you have to use your own Twilio to do this. And I love it that way. I would never want to, use other numbers like that. Right now, my number with, I had 50 numbers with Phone Wagon. All of them gone, right? Just like that. They're like, okay, the numbers came with them. I have to do porting or something, whatever. So I think this is the better way to do it. So again, so you need to have Twilio subscription. Yes, Twilio is not a subscription. It's a credit-based system. You only pay for what you use. If you don't have it, you don't have to pay monthly. That's the good news about it, right? And again, it's really cheap. Look, I run a software that up to 20 different schools use, and the schools use it for texting, for making mostly text. It's not a phone call. They do mostly text messaging with all the students. If somebody's late, the system, when the teacher marks absent or late, the parents get a text message by how many minutes, which class they missed from. We have that. And our bill for 20 different schools comes to less than, let's say, $30 a month. It's 20 different schools using it heavily like crazy, right? I am from Australia and I use my own number. If it's supported by the Signal Wire or by Twilio, I'm pretty sure, of course, yes. He's from Australia too. You're from Australia, right? Can you use
Glad to meet another Aussies here. So basically, you cannot use your personal number, okay? But you can buy Australian numbers from Twilio and Signalware. They do offer that you can purchase, the mobile number from Australia. So in that country code, and then you can build your IVRs, and all that phone call will be calling from your Twilio number, not your personal number. Okay.
Okay.
And also, John is asking, can 50?
No, I want to repeat. I want to explain that part. Okay. Between 20 accounts, you have 5 million users. Okay, brother? I want to repeat again. 5 million users. So if you are using a bot, somebody joins you, you fulfill the orders for them, you did everything with them, months later, let's say in a month, 250,000, that's 20,000 customers in a year, in a month, let's say, right? 250,000, 20,000. So am I right? 20,000, yeah. Times 12, that's 240,000. If you've dealt with 20,000 subscribers in 1 month for one account, one sub account, and between the 20 sub accounts, you have 20,000 times what? 20,000 times 20. That's a lot, right? So think about it. If you're talking about 20,000 customers a month in one account or sub account, then in a year you're dealing with 240,000. So that's the whole year. Now, I would say my January people or all those people, you don't need them. You can clean up, reset, and then you fresh start. You can reset it, but we made sure that there is a good runway for you to have up for 1 year. So very million lifetime, that doesn't reset every month. Botstar must. This is not Botstar. That's only one bot that uses only one channel. You have 8 different channels here. Right? So 9
actually.
10, 20. It will continue to grow. So I don't think it's not fair to compare. You're comparing, does it have voice? Right? This needs hosting. So there's a reason why there's a control for the cost. And honestly, look at their pricing on their website. 5 million is crazy. If you're complaining about 5 million, right? Either you can buy them out if you get 5 million subscribers. Buy Uchat, all of them. So I spent a lot of time on that topic. We're not gonna, we're not gonna go back to the same story all the time. This is not Botstar. If it's Botstar, don't buy Uchat. If you feel like that way, that's my point. We have done really good job on this deal, and it worked out. A lot of people message me every day like, I can't believe this is, are you sure they're going to be in business? That's what we worry about. We don't care about more than 5 million or 200 million or whatever you need, or unlimited or every month. We care about the survivability of the product, right? And we make sure that you have enough sufficient space for you to do business for only 500, for only $1,000. If you feel like, that's not enough, you can always upgrade. That's not a problem. But I don't think
Hey,
even if
Ali,
you were to upgrade on their price, you will never get $5 million. I mean, 5 million customers. Okay,
I got
that's
one
it.
thing to mention.
Yeah.
Ali.
Yeah.
So, someone is asking, like, can they connect the bot to their own phone number? That's possible. In your phone, you can go to call forwarding, and you can forward the call to the bot. That's how you connect the bot to your own personal number.
Oh, okay. So you can do the forwarding.
Yeah.
Is
So
that
for
what we did?
example,
The
like
call, is that what you're
before-
saying? The call transfer?
It's call forwarding. It's inside your setting. Go setting and phone. There's a call forwarding. Like every time before you go to sleep, or before you go to the airplane, or before you go to a meeting, you can just enable the forwarding, and then everybody call to you. They will call through the bot.
Oh, okay. Call forwarding, you mean from your phone?
Yeah,
Or
inside your
use,
setting.
Yeah.
use the bot number to forward calls there. Oh, that's
So
Yeah,
it's like
yeah,
the
she
bot
mean that.
become your personal assistant.
yeah. That makes a lot of sense then. Of course. Yes. And okay.
And someone is asking, can we control the only specific bots are visible to specific members? Yes, you will be able to do that in the future. So in the future, we will add more permission control for the members. So it's most likely the members can see the other bots, but they are not accessible to them. You can assign this member to this particular chatbot. So you can have more control of the members in the future.
Right.
So yeah, that's the question. Please go
Okay.
up and answer my question about 50 different people with 50 different pages and one account. Oh, I think, okay. Can 50 different people have their own bots and the one account? 50 bots, 50 different pages by 50 different people and one account. So how it works is, for example, one workspace, right? That is Pro Plus plan. It allows you to build 50 chatbots. That's sure, right? And these 50 chatbots can be 50 different pages. Okay, that is also okay. And for the Agency Plus, you will have 5 members. 5 members. So basically, it's 5 different people can access these 5 different chatbots. For the Agency plan, it's actually is unlimited chatbot, but you have 20 members. You can invite your client or give your team access. You have 20 members. You can add them to manage that account, that workspace.
Right. Yeah. It's okay. So somebody say big pass for the subscription, not resting. So I mean not resetting, I guess what they mean for the subscribers.
Yeah,
100%.
I think
We're
so.
happy. We're happy that we pass you too on that one. Absolutely, you can go hit the road on that one. Sorry, but to be honest, some people are just ridiculous. If you feel like you have that many customers, you don't really need. You don't really need this. Just pay monthly. That's okay. And the idea of lifetime deal is not for somebody to pay us $400 or $300 and just abuse the system. Okay, even with the 5 million, they may still have to use fair usage policy. You never know, right? So try any other out of these products out there. I know that continuously locks people out continually. They have unlimited policy, but then after some time they put you on pause. Why? Because the resources. If you're using so much resources for only one-time payment, they'll be out of business. So what they do is they actually ask people in the groups continuously hold you. Can't use their unlimited, right?
Yeah.
To
Yeah.
make them solve
Okay.
all subs functional. Yes, all the subscribers you can.
Yes.
And there will be a bot. We are working on this, right? Where after a certain period, like after 3 months or after 6 months. Of course, you're not talking to those people.
Yeah.
It's a,
Yeah. Yeah.
it's a bot, right? Whatever they told them, it's all out.
Yes.
Just clean up and then reset.
Yes. Currently, you can delete those subscribers. You can filter out the subscribers and delete them manually. But very soon we will add a delete user action so that you can set up your own rules to trigger this automation to clean up the subscribers. For example, we have the daytime trigger that is called the last time interaction or something like that. So you can set up the rules like 90 days last time interaction, and then for these subscribers, the rule will run automatically and clean up for you. Also, if they unsubscribe, you can set up the rules to delete them automatically. So that will keep your list clean and small. So engaging.
Yeah, again, to be honest, I feel like 20,000 a month. That's a lot of busy business, right? And you have 5 million.
Yeah.
So guys, come on, this is crazy.
And someone is also asking, can the voice channel be used for Spanish translation text to voice? Actually, the answer is yes, because we use the whole technology is based on Twilio. Twilio actually support, I checked, is 119 languages. So whatever you speak, they can recognize the text, and then you can use in the voice channel. So there's no problem there. So that is all powered by Twilio.
Yeah. So we're through with 41
Spanish,
agencies, guys, for the Agency Plus. I think they're sold up to 41 right now. So you have up to 59 more left, 59 more spaces. If you haven't grabbed, take advantage. Because after that's done, then we don't need it. They don't need more than that. It's 100 spots, $100,000. That's enough for investing into marketing and all that stuff. So then the other plans, we still have, runways for the agency, for the Pro Plus. That's what will continue to be around. And we'll continue to prove, all the improvements, all the new additions, all the features will be released here. Like we released a day ago, the Instagram is live, so you can go.
Yeah.
Right, we'll continue. Split payments, but it's not there. There is split payment. If you go to the website, there is. I had to make it public because people didn't give me time to sleep. So you can go on the website. There are 2 Uchat plans. You will see the Agents Plus and the other one. The Agents Plus is actually the monthly payment. So what happens is when you make a payment, the system will automatically take time because it's a subscription. Well, it's kind of a hack that I put it together, but it says annual. It's not annual. It's 3 months payment, and so what you need to do is just go ahead, buy, but give it up to 6 hours, 10 hours. I don't know. It will take time to get your payments because it depends on the country. If you're making a payment from any of these countries around here, payment goes quickly through. Some countries it takes time to transfer that money. That's what I realized. Hey Matthew, while being involved in Uchat, it seems that you're also involved in another chatbot.
Oh, yeah. So I want to explain that just on the 100% transparency here.
Yeah.
So basically, I love chatbot. Okay, I have been in the chatbot. I think is 2019. Start from Chatfield, and then I moved to ManyChat. And then along the way, Active Chat is coming, BotStar is coming, Continuity is coming. I got all those chatbots. And then I spend most of my time with ChatTrace because before Uchat, they offer kind of the white label and have powerful features. So I stay with them. I think it's about April or something. I'm still using that platform. And also, I would want to talk about Tier 5 is I love softwares, okay? That's true. I tried dropshipping, e-commerce, all that doesn't work for me. I start my software business from Tier 5, okay? And what attracts me the most is they have the Chirply, and that is to the IVRs. So that is very impressive for me. And I joined that program, I think, way back also at 2019. Okay? And at the same time, I'm not reselling only reselling that softwares. I even built my own software that is called Panda Checkout. And Panda Checkout is kind of a checkout solutions for all the chatbot platforms. And when I was doing, just releasing the Panda Checkout, the founder of Uchat approached me. Okay, I think it's April or May or something, and we start talking. And he is also in Australia. And when I see the platform, it's so much powerful. I think that night when I go through all the YouTube videos of Uchat, I cannot sleep. All the potential of artificial intelligence, database, external request, JSON variables, and the opportunities to white label the platform. So I just, very excited. I know this is something I want involved in the future. Then we just start talking, and the founder think, I can really help to push the Uchat. Currently, nobody knows, and only variable, only marketing in Australia. I have the potential to put it to the next level because my experience with chatbot, my experience with software space, and we just hit off, and we just signed an agreement, and now I'm the co-founder of Uchat. So then I start, I think start from May, I start talking to, Ali, and, we are trying to figure out the deal, figure out the launch. And my focus will be only on Uchat starting from now. So I think, I think that I just want to clear that out. That's some background story about me,
Okay, so to add on to that, like Matthew mentioned, he did all this hustling on the side a lot. And a lot.
Yeah.
I used to sell on JVZoo.
You have to find your way back, yeah.
I used to sell on JVZoo. How many of you guys remember this? Anybody saw me on JVZoo? Yeah, of course, we all have our past. You got to start somewhere. The good old days, when selling on JVZoo was good as selling on the old AppSumo. It was a time when JVZoo was good. All the tools that I have, a lot of them, like, Viper, Convertry, a lot of good tools. I got them from JVZoo, and I used to actually, promote stuff. Like you would be getting emails from me, promoting, holding webinars. Some of my webinars are online. You can go find them, and they may still have a buy button, guys. Right? So yes, I asked Matthew this question. Matthew, so the founder of Uchat, or the guy, the developer behind it, his name is Peter. I have had a conversation with them. We always talk. And Peter is an amazing guy. He's very bright, smart. But developers are developers. They need marketers to come on board. People who know the connection. Peter doesn't even know anything called LTD in this world. So it's Matthew that came to me. And Matthew became the co-founder. And so is Joyce. Joyce does all the training, the production of the videos, all the tutorials that you see. She's very busy, a very smart person. Also codes. So you have 3 people, in this. And of course, the old pages that Matthew set up, of course, they are there. The last one he set up, I think the video says is in April. But of course, he joined Uchat in May. He joined Uchat in May when it was already there for a while. So going forward, and he's with Uchat, and that was the conversation I had. But if you go on that website, you might pay, the payment will still work, of course. The automation will kick in, the emails will kick in. It's a setup. And many people who I know who were very successful used all these things. So I don't know why it's an issue. I could be doing, like I was making phone calls to my education school, right? And I do own an actual right now, thanks to one of you guys here, I bought into a franchise right here in Toronto. And the person who connected me, I met them in Digital Think, So it's interesting how we have all these different things, moving. But it's always, if the quality of the tool that you're getting is good, it's working, the team are very smart, they know what they're doing. I'm pretty sure you will have one of Uchat will go down as one of the best deals that you have ever, got here, right? So I'm not worried about that. Any other questions, guys? I don't see any questions coming. Yeah. Again, the person who's been asking this question, just transparency, is Sajwal Pagani. So we are able to respond to that. Again,
Yeah.
I don't know if this is true, and I'm just want to make sure that there is no any other hidden agenda behind this. That it's only a good question, because I know
Yeah.
he works with
Yeah.
pitch ground, and we don't work with anything. We don't even allow any pitch ground people in our group. Just so know. And again, just saying, if you work with Udit, you're a scammer. Like, it's not fair to say that, but we know this, right? And Udit is a scammer. Everybody knows that. Scam me, scam 100 people. But Juan, you work with him. So just because you work with him doesn't mean you are a scammer yourself. Although I hate, that. That's why I told, if you will work with tier 5, we're not going to be together. And he's like, no. This was before I joined Uchat.
Yeah, that's true. Uchat is
That's what I was told, Sejwal.
my
That's
goal.
what
I
was
really,
told.
I really want to
Was
take
there not
this
a post
platform
about
to
this?
a whole
Are you
another
the wrong
level.
person?
Yeah.
Are you the wrong person? Because I saw a post somewhere. Somebody sent me that you're working with them. Are you maybe wrong person then? So I apologize if I'm mistaking you for another guy. But there was a post made in Pitch Ground that you are working with them. Was that you? Oh, not you. Sorry, Sejwal, not you. Someone else, not you. Someone else. Sorry, I apologize. Excellent. So, anyways, again, to come back to the point, the product, is one of, yes, LTD drama, exactly. LTD drama is always there. To come back to the point, there is always room for people to bring drama, but this is a very powerful product and it has nothing to do with tier 5. Okay, exactly. Any other questions?
John is also asked a
that was
question.
you.
Are you
Okay.
planning
I think
on
I
have an
mistake you
actual?
for somebody else. Sorry, I apologize. That's you.
Okay.
I'm mistaking you for someone else then. That wasn't you. Okay. And any other questions? Because I got the same question from somebody else, and then maybe I'm mistaking you for the other person. Okay, sorry about that. And any other question? I know you have no agenda. You just want to make sure it's working. And I responded to you, and you asked, and we are making sure everything's clear. The giveaway, man! You didn't tell me we were gonna do. No, this wasn't planned. Today. Okay, we'll do the giveaway. We'll do the giveaway.
It's not us holding back, okay? Ali didn't set up the giveaway every time we go live.
We will set up. Trust
we
me.
will make up. We will
This
make up.
is one
Yeah.
deal where
three lives already. So yeah.
We're gonna, guys, look, we will do more lives, and we'll do hundreds of them, because look, I need to learn this product myself. There's a lot of moving pieces, and so we'll bother Matthew and Joyce to come live with us all the time and answer this kind of question, right? Answer question about e-commerce tools.
Let me answer John's question. He asked a question about e-commerce. Are you planning on having an actual PG builder to complement the e-commerce functionality? I know you do not actually have a physical store, but have it would be great. There's another platform like yours that have the store. So what do you mean by PG builder? And also, I'm not sure I understand the question, but we are planning to have the web view builder. That web view builder allow you to collect the leads, to build the simple landing pages, selling your product. That web view builder will be available across all the channels. So we do have that plan. That is, I think, is very immediately we will start working on that.
Right.
So I don't know if that is what you are looking for. I don't know what is PG builder, but web view builder will come.
I think it means parental guidance builder. Just joking. And yeah, so maybe another thing I was waiting for was the WooCommerce integration. When is that gonna happen?
Yeah.
Commerce.
Yeah, WooCommerce. The big e-commerce platform is Shopify and WooCommerce.
Yes.
So for the Shopify, we already finished all the integrations. Okay, you can create the coupon dynamically. You can get the custom data. You can display the product based on the keywords you select. Okay, this part is already done. now we are working on to connect to, because we need to send the user to Shopify checkout page. If they are very control about the checkout pages. So we need to send, after you finish your integrations, all the checkout, you need to go to Shopify native checkout page. So we will need to finish that. After finish that, we will submit as a public apps. So that is available for everyone who is using Uchat. So after finish the Shopify, and the WooCommerce and the PayPal integrations will be our next. So those payment gateways and the e-commerce platform, we want to start working on that. That is 100% sure is coming to Uchat.
What about the web app? Web app.
The web what?
Web
app. Web app. What do you mean by web app?
Web chat?
Like web
chat?
Yes, web chat.
Oh. Web chat, I think because that take a lot of time to build, so that has to be at the Q4, quarter 4, maybe end of the year or start of the next year, because we need to plan it carefully, and that's so that is Q4. It's not immediately planned.
So
but it will be there.
WooCommerce anytime.
WooCommerce, I think is before this is August, right? I think before end of this year, WooCommerce and PayPal, that will be there, and the Shopify will be submitted for as a public app. That is also will be there, and the WebView builder, that will also available before end of the year. So that's something I can I'm sure. So there are some also other surprising features we are working on, like the Ali, you suggest the conference mode for the voice channel. So, and also when we have the customers coming in to use our platforms, they will have a lot of features, something ideas, and there will be some bugs. So we will fix all those things along the way.
Good. So if we integrate e-commerce, WooCommerce, does that mean that WooCommerce store will use its own payment method? How will it work? Do you have any idea?
Actually, I do not now. What I have in mind is, the product will be synced with your WooCommerce, right? It's just another channel. You can get the product information. You can show, the customer have the options to buy from the chatbot. But your WooCommerce store will be the central of that. We pull the stocks over there. We send them to the checkout page on WooCommerce, maybe. So that's need some planning, and we will, put up the post in the Facebook group, just to to see. We will also to see what the other platforms is doing with this, and get the feedbacks from the users, what they think is the best, and then we will start from there.
Mm-hmm. So Sajwal is asking, Sajwal, is Panda Checkout by the same team?
No, it's not the same team. Mm-hmm. Panda Checkout, like I said, I didn't met Uchat before Panda Checkout. Panda Checkout is my own hobby. My understanding about the software, it doesn't, ever compare to the architecture of Uchat is currently having. Okay, Panda Checkout is kind of the hobby. I think is the checkout in the chatbot is need some improvement. I want to have the one-click upsells in the chatbot itself. So it's a few friends. I have 2 friends. They are developers. So I just told them, okay, I want this. Can you build this for me? And they spend 3-4 months and build this for me. And so that doesn't have it's not the same team. I only met the Uchat team after I released the Panda Checkout to the public.
Right.
And then we start talking, and then they see the potential I can bring to the platform, and I want to invest 100% into the platform to bring it to the next level. Then we start working together. Okay, I'm one of the co-founder. I'm asking, collecting the feedbacks and listen to you to make the improvement, make the suggestions to the developers. So that's how, just want to clarify on that.
Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
That's the questions. A lot of questions, man. That's good. So any other question, guys? Anything else? You had good session. At least very educating and understanding the power of voice in the business. Somebody comes to Google Maps, finds your business. By the way, right now, forget about SEO, if you have a local business, having your Google My Business coming at the top when people search you, it's big business in itself right now. And if you guys know, there's William Johns, he runs the Google My Business group, and all they do is ranking that, that business that you can search on Google, because people, when they want anything, they go to Google. A lot of them go to Google. That's why everybody wants to be on top for SEO. Now, if you are serving an area like here and you offer a program or something, people will search. And look, I get a lot of phone calls from those searches. Think about it. If the phone number there is now running through Uchat with all the options that we just played with, right? That you can offer that as a service to the client, and you're tracking all the calls, you're dealing with leads and all that stuff. You can, they can chat with you, and if there is a voicemail and a text, if they text the number, you can set up on the website to text their number or something. Lots of opportunities to collect reviews, do so many things there. Reputation management business. To be honest, it's just one of the things that, like, one tool doing everything, almost everything for you. And especially, the Facebook there, the WhatsApp, it's all connected. And Instagram, automatic responses to all these comments. It's huge. It's a big deal. So I hope you guys see the value of this. Will you have scheduled frequent training and open Q&A? And that's a good question.
Yeah, that's a good question. Actually, after the launch, I think we will have, like the weekly ask me any questions and the weekly updates, because we are pushing the new features. We want to put more content in our Facebook group. Okay, you just make sure you join our Facebook group, and we will post the schedules. We will make it like the routine every week. Okay, for example, every week we are going to release one mini app. That is for sure. And we have a candidate list about the email providers they want to integrate. And also we will have a session you can ask the questions. We will do some trainings. I just did one training yesterday on our Facebook group. That is to show you the power of the voice chatbot. What it does is, for example, if you have any forms on your website or anywhere, okay, if the user fill up the name, email, and phone number, after they click the submit button, they will receive immediately a phone call. Okay, that phone call is connected to your IVRs. And in that phone call, you already know the name of the name who is calling. You already know the emails of that caller. And then you can use the actions like send the emails, dynamically call their names, personal greeting, with their names. And then all the IVR stuff, broadcast and, transfer, leave the message, all that can be triggered. That is the power, of Uchat. If you learn from us, because I'm a marketer, okay? I build funnels. I do e-commerce. So I know what kind of the features you marketer want. So we will, make more demos, demos like this, and to show you how to do that step by step. So that's a lot of training.
Next time we can see how the form and the phone calls and the triggers will work.
Yeah. Yes.
Somebody's asking,
a lot of trainings planned. Yeah.
What are mini apps? What's a mini app?
Oh, mini apps is kind of like, for example, in the lifetime deal space, if you are, for example, you are using Public Connect, right? Or you are using Zapier and Integromat. Mm-hmm. They have kind of the module, right? That module is connect to third-party apps. So the mini apps is like, we have the power that you can build the module in as an app, and then you can install these apps, and then you can use all these actions in the flow builder. So very simple example is, for example, I have a email verification third-party service, right? And you can build a mini app with that, so that every time you collect emails in the flows, you just use that action to verify whether this email is valid or not, and then it will output the response. And if it's valid, you move ahead. If it's not valid, you can ask again, something like that. Even Panda Checkout is a mini apps inside of Uchat right now.
Okay, so it's a Uchat's way of saying integrations. Let's just put it that way.
Yes. Exactly, yeah.
But the beautiful thing about their system is you can build your own app inside their software, right?
Yeah. Even Panda Checkout is a paid app. If you want to set up one-click upsell in your chatbot, you need to purchase the license from my website, and then you put that you can use. So the developers can actually make money from building the apps. For example, personalize the image and connect with other email providers we currently doesn't support, and build the apps to send the emails people have been complaining about. If there is a market demand, you can build the apps for that, and you can redirect them to get the license from your website. We want to build an ecosystem that developer is making money, the customers is get the convenient, and we as a platform, just benefit from what you guys are doing for the platform. So that's the ecosystem we want to build.
Good. So we're getting, and there's unlimited runs on that. That somebody's asking.
Yes. I think so. It's a mini app. You just use them, as actions. Fit that into your workflow. Yeah.
Yeah, you're limited just by your subscribers in this case. So.
Yeah.
Right. So that's good. There's a lot of good things here. So the tool itself, tonight our focus was more on the voice, and there is some limitations. We figured that there is no, so we're gonna do next one. We can focus on the WhatsApp. We haven't done WhatsApp yet, right?
Yeah, we haven't done WhatsApp. We haven't done Google My Business. So a lot of other features you guys haven't seen yet. So we will do them, one by one. Yeah.
Perfect. Again, and I would like to see also build my own, apps and use this on my real businesses, so people can play with it.
Yeah.
And do. And definitely, it works for us. Yeah. I'm in the education industry, and so for us, getting students is what we do, right? We talk to a parent. We have, so every time they either call you, or they message you, or they email you, or they do all these things. So all these channels in one place is definitely very, very powerful. Now, one of the projects that I'm working on, which hasn't yet gone live, is for me to set up a central place where students can apply to colleges and universities in Canada. And I'm an agent, actually. So as an agent, I do so many things. As an agent, and people will apply to the school. So 90% of the questions are the same across all the applicants. How much is the tuition?
Yeah.
What is the registration fee? How much? What do I need? What are the requirements? And so so let's say we have 20 universities listed that work with us. When I put a specific university, they ask the same question but from the different universities. So one of the things I want to do is that when they ask a question about, let's say, University of Waterloo or University of Toronto, when they put that keyword, it triggers with keyword. I want anything related to that university just push to them, and they can definitely go and find the answers they're looking for, to reduce the amount of human work that we do, because we have the same questions coming over and over and over. Yes, you can put on the website. People don't find all that information on the website. That's why we have all these knowledge bases, and we still build that separately. People still come to your chat, right? So this is why we have this app. when we see tools on digital thing, just guys think of it. I need it first. So when I need it, it has to, it has to work for me. If it doesn't work for me, I don't want to bring it here. That's
Yep.
that's the thing, right? So it's a good tool. It's really good. Thanks for the session, guys. Thank you guys for your patience and time.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Joyce. She's the star of the, and she's hiding behind this green screen here. But definitely, we really appreciate your, private tutoring here that you did for all of us here. And that's good. Very good talk. I'm happy with Uchat. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Okay, Matthew, have a good night.
Yep.
Okay,
Bye.
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 We'll put the recording in also in the group. All the videos we do are recorded, just so you know. Thank you.